Welcome to this demonstration of Protrak's AutoCAD BOM extraction capability, developed as part of our Protrak Precast Manufacturing Solution. In the precast manufacturing industry, preparing BOM and production data manually from engineering drawings is often time-consuming and prone to errors. Managing drawing revisions, quantities, dimensions, and element details manually can impact both productivity and accuracy. To address these challenges, Protrak provides an automated BOM extraction solution that directly reads engineering and production data from AutoCAD DWG drawings and integrates it with the precast manufacturing workflow. Let us now see how this process works. First, a drawing instance is created within Protrak, and the corresponding DWG drawing file is attached and saved. Once the drawing is saved, the user performs the Promote or Release Drawing action. During this step, Protrak automatically processes the AutoCAD drawing and extracts the required BOM and engineering data directly from the DWG file. The system intelligently captures key parameters such as length, width, thickness, drawing revision, typical ID, strand numbers, and quantity. In addition, the extracted element instances are automatically linked with their respective drawings, ensuring complete traceability and consistency throughout the precast production process. This automation significantly reduces manual effort, minimizes data entry errors, and accelerates BOM preparation and production planning activities. With Protrak's Precast Manufacturing Solution, organizations can improve engineering accuracy, operational efficiency, and digital transformation across the manufacturing lifecycle.